G0NE. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Up the road, and data, if see him data to call him now, see that? I'm listening. And like a bus a U-turn now. But like him now, pure time ice Alex and thing, and I'm a bus a U-turn on a bicycle. Man, you are just don't look as well to anything.
Yeah, this is the back.
Yeah, this quality of it, so. I'm going to turn the bicycle and come across now. I'm so the big hope in man for life. Focus a big star. Oh God. See now. I can't just sneak him out on the road. You see that? I can't just sneak him out on the road. Yeah, I saw him get up now. See me, I get up now, you know? You see this?
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself and my people. And you see that look a piece of clip that my people, me I go tell you now what go on with it now, my viewers and subscribers, because you don't know, say we have our fans, them, we have our viewers and we have our subscribers, my people, and you don't know, say my concern about them so much, and when they come on to them people, the attacking boss is here to attack anything for them, no joke about it. So Sunday gone and now my viewers and subscribers in. This incident what took place and Barbican people, you don't know, say, Papa come from in church with him bicycle and thing, my viewers and subscribers in. So Papa comes to boom now, I want to go cross the road to go meet up him granddaughter who they cross the road people. So him a go cross. Papa did there wait, him a look my people, him not rush go cross, no, him man a look, me say Papa look my people, Papa look left, right, him a look center people. So as Papa comes to boom now, I make him move people, toes. Silver Axe, you come up, my viewers and subscribers, with license plate registering, my people, 3631JD, my people. You understand? 3631JD, Silver Axe, you hit and run and Barbican, Sunday gone, people, with the local Papa across the road with them bicycle. But grateful by the Almighty people, even though Papa received some serious injuries, people come here say, one big something come on head, people, you know, that swelling cocoa thing, they go people, you know what I mean? Look a bone good to get fracture on him something because it was a serious hit people and the car was going with speed and him lick Papa and him gone, my viewers and subscribers. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So you see anywhere that car the people, that Silver Axe you the 3631JD, report it to the nearest police station because the police is looking out for it, people. You understand? And it can be danger to others out there as well, because maybe you commit this one and it can commit a lot more. So people, you need to look out for this car 3631JD and get it off the road. No joke about it. So right now, people, we are sending out with prayers to Papa. Speedy recovery to Papa. You understand? And can, cause you don't know him children, him grandchildren, them love him people and they want to say Papa okay and Papa alright. So you don't know the thing. More love, more respect and more blessings of people. Be safe out there, people, and look out on the road because a lot of crazy people out there and them not check, them not care about nobody. Papa, speedy recovery. Peace, love, respect. Remember, do like, do share, comment, and do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, NEWLINK Production Official, Attacking Boss. Peace out.